Hello. So guys, actually we've gone through every part of Lake Nakuru National Park. Right now we are at the western part of Lake Nakuru National Park. This park, you can use a whole day going through this park. So I'm going to take you, or let's go and have the waterfalls actually in the western part of Lake Nakuru National Park. This waterfalls goes by the name Makalia Falls. So this area is Makalia Falls viewpoint. So let's go have amazing view. My friend Richard is already there. So this is the name of do not litter, no tent beyond here because of dangerous animals. You should be very keen on this. Let's go have the amazing views of Makalia Falls. Makalia Falls is just here in Lake Nakuru National Park. Wow. Guys, if you're checking this for the first time, kindly subscribe. This is your boy Thompson, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing adventures, for more amazing videos like this. Where does this water head to, by the way? Oh, it flows this way. So I and Richard decided to come. Actually guys, Richard is my fan, my subscriber. He came all the way to UK to come have amazing time here in Kenya. And when he go to Kenya, he is actually also my Airbnb client. So I'm hosting him. At the same time, we decided to come to Lake Nakuru for an amazing trip, for an amazing adventure. This is what we are having here in Lake Nakuru National Park. Hello, wait, have these views. Woo! Woo! But the water is very, very dirty compared to the waterfalls at Nyahururu, the Nyahururu waterfalls. So my friend Richard is taking more videos also and photos for memories. You know, getting here is something that some of us always do once a year or once in 10 years. So we must have these videos for memories and actually share them with you so that you enjoy what we do enjoy here in Kenya. So guys, if this is the first time you're getting to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, kindly go and watch more of my videos because I have got a number of amazing videos on my YouTube channel. I have a number of amazing videos on my channel. Thank you and thank you and thank you. So let's have this. Oh, you're here? Richard?
food.
Male.
A big waffle. These gazelles don't want to run. They're not bothered, are they? They know. I was hoping to see one jump, but they're quite young ones. These are a lot younger, these ones.
No, these are not young.
Maybe the young ones have come away.
Zebras. That male one is very huge with very huge horns.
That's nice. And they're hiding that the small one, aren't they?
Where?
This one here, this group was hiding it.
This is small.
This one, relatively small.
This one? This
The one?
it seems to be small, but the skin seems looks like they are old. You see the skin? You see how rough their skin is?
So the big one over here is the big one.
There's another one inside there that is very huge. The one that is crazy. Very, very huge. You see, compared to this one. They graze very slowly together, but the zebra's legs being together. Very beautiful. They are cool.
Okay, wow.
This one is a female, and this one is a male. Hey, they're very strong. Eh?
It's a big herd. Still sitting, warming up. They're all around here. Exactly. Buffaloes all together. They're quite relaxed, quite hungry. But
No, they can be hungry with all this grass. This old grass, they can be hungry.
waking up.
Those are small. You see the young one? I've seen the young one lying down there. It has no horns.
No.
Just lying down
right
there.
Yeah.
Another one there. Oh, so the young ones don't always have horns. The horns.
They're very small.
As you keep growing, and the horns keep diverting.
Sure.
That one has noticed something, you see?
Yeah. Big ball in the middle.
You know, even their heads, how they look at you, they seems to be so very furious. Yeah.
Do you think?
It looks like you just hurt it.
I don't think
It looks you like you have you want to attack it. Eh? You see, it's very furious. Its head seems very furious.
I think the opposite.
Yeah.
I think the opposite. I think he's casual.
Yeah.
Because he's just looking like this. If he was angry, he would be. I think he's casual. These ones are relaxed. Yeah. It's just the way their faces. For me, it looks like a big cow. It's just
A big cow with now the very big head.
Yeah.
You know, there are cows which are this size.
Sure.
But the buffalo now, most buffaloes are very huge.
This big male over here.
Which this seems to be very old.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you.
I'm tired. As you said, it's isolated. It's a male.